Goldendoodle potty training tips. While potty training a puppy is not always the most pleasant experience, it is essential. There are lots of things that you will need to know when Goldendoodle potty training. When to start potty training. It is best to start potty training your new Goldendoodle puppy at 12 weeks old, though some dogs need a few more weeks to develop adequate bladder control. If your puppy can't control when they urinate, there is no point in trying to potty train them. Keep in mind that the older the dog is past 12 weeks, the more difficult it can be. It can take several weeks to successfully potty train a Goldendoodle puppy, depending on various factors. You shouldn't declare success until your dog has stopped doing its business in the house for a minimum of a month. Stick to a feeding schedule. You must adhere to a strict schedule for feeding your puppy and giving it water. You'll want to do this at the same time each day. Make sure that you let them go outside to do their business 30 minutes after they finish eating and drinking. Keep close track of when your puppy is eating and drinking so you'll know when to take them outside. You should always make sure that water is available to them throughout each day. Having to let your puppy out to pee repeatedly can be annoying, but they must stay hydrated. Keep them close by. You also want to keep your puppy nearby while potting training them. If you allow them to roam around the house freely, they might start doing their business where you can't see. They are more likely to go outside to do this when you always have an eye on them. Be prepared to let them out a lot. If your puppy is 6-8 weeks old, you'll have to let them outside approximately every hour. Puppies that are 2 to 6 months need to be taken out to do their business about every 2 hours. Once they reach 8 months old, they can go up to 6 hours without having an accident. Give your puppy commands. As your Goldendoodle poops or pees outside, you'll want to say, "Go pee" or "Go poop." They will eventually start to connect these words with relieving themselves. It would help if you were consistent with this. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement plays a significant role in potty training any puppy. You'll want to give your dog a treat whenever it does its business where it is supposed to. It would help if you also gave them lots of verbal praise. This is especially crucial when you are just starting with them in the first few weeks. Properly clean their messes. When your puppy has an accident in the house, and they will, make sure that you quickly clean it up. Make sure that you use an enzymatic pet cleaner solution. This will discourage your dog from doing its business in the same spot again. Potty training, even the most obedient Goldendoodle puppy, can be quite an arduous process. You will therefore need to be prepared for what is ahead.